If you're new to the project, a big warm welcome. If you're a tough old root, then welcome back. Here on Steep in the Woods, we've built a 2-story tiny house out of used pallets. And in today's video, we're going to be building these steps, this railing, and that door. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go online, type in all of your measurements, and get all of the angles for your 2 runners of your steps. It's really complicated math, so I'll put a link to the website that I used. It is really, really good, and it'll tell you everything that you need to know. The next thing that I did was I took another 2x6 and I cut all of our steps out of it, and then I marked their positions on one of the 2 stair runners. Now we're just going to set one runner on top of the other one so we can transfer all of those marks to the second runner without having to do all of the angles. Now that all our marks are complete, I went ahead and pre-drilled some holes and attached our steps with screws. I'm going to take a quick break to tell you guys about the Steep in the Woods website, where we not only sell spring development kits, we sell sediment filter buckets for use with those kits, as well as drinking water filters and worm compost bins. We have the entire mountain to mouth setup for sale. So click here and check it out. Celia demanded that the steps had a backing on them. So we're going to take these steps over to a scrap piece of OSB that we had from doing the sheeting on this pallet house. And we're going to mark out and attach that to the back of these steps. I'll just get this lined up, then we'll put a couple screws in it. A couple down at the bottom, a couple at the top, and we'll be ready to go. And there we go, girl. We'll put something on these steps, like maybe some old shingles, and that'll give them a little bit more grip. But
getting the cracks. It's fun. I don't know what to do with the whole day. I'm gonna have to eat lunch up here.
that is easy, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll just get you to carry my lunch up here. I'll climb up there and I'll eat it.
Eat it. Last thing we got to do is put a piece of wood right here, so that Hamish doesn't fall through the hole. That's the only other thing we've got to do, and then we can put our bed here.
Yeah, we'll just have to have somewhere where Hamish can grab it down.
All right, so a door and some handrails.
And that'll be pretty good.
can use your drill as a tensioner, you know, as a screwdriver. That's what I often do. Make sure I don't over tighten and strip anything. And there you go. I will add another hinge right about here later. These are literally the only hinges that I have. So first and foremost, no, this is not meant to be stepped on. I will not step on this no matter how many hinges that it has. This is just for the accidental steppage of children, let's say at night or when they're playing. I would imagine even without that third hinge, it would stop the children from falling. There is a lip on this side and this side, so I think a third hinge here and they would be fine to walk on it, but as is right now, it's just a safety measure. Okay, all right, if it'll hold 180 pounds, or maybe more, it'll definitely work for the kids. The next thing that we're going to do is grab our chainsaw, head off into the forest, which is just right there. You know, our entire mountain, this huge piece of property, is 99.9999% untouched forest. So go out there and get you some handrail material. And there you have it. That's how we built the steps on our pallet tower. We now have easy access to the top level, which has our beds in it, so rock and roll. I will tell you the handrail is incredibly strong. So there's no negative factor to using natural wood because it will not make it weaker. So either way, as always, if you liked what you saw, hit that button. If you're new to the project, hit that other button. Help support the project. There are links below. Go buy yourself a spring kit. And I'll see you next time here. Steve in the Woods. Oh. on the wall, isn't it? Why is it the last section? And it's that easy.